How to fix a cartridge missing error on the HP Inktank 110 printer series. Fix your HP Inktank 110 series printer when the printer does not prime, the PrintThed error, warning, and resume lights blink on the printer control panel, and a cartridge's missing error message displays on your computer. Remove and reinstall the cartridge with the blinking PrintThed light. Close the output tray extender and tray. Open the access doors. On the printer control panel, press the resume button for 3 seconds to move the carriage to the access area. With the carriage in the middle, push down the blue latch to release it. As indicated by the blinking light on the control panel, push down the corresponding cartridge to release it. Hold the cartridge by its sides and remove it from the printer. Remove any plastic tape or orange plugs on the cartridge. Avoid touching the contacts and ink nozzles. Hold the cartridge by its sides and slide it back into its slot until it snaps into place. If indicated on the printer control panel, repeat this process for the other cartridge. Push the blue latch down firmly to close it, and then close the access doors. Open the access doors. Press the power and resume buttons for 3 seconds, and then close the access doors to begin the priming process. If the error persists and the printer does not prime, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer can help resolve cartridge missing errors. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and outlet. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and directly into a wall outlet, and the printer turns on automatically. Open the access doors. Press the power and resume buttons for 3 seconds, and then close the access doors to begin the priming process. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.